Alright, today we're going to make a quick video for troubleshooting FDM in the field. Basically, if you have a case in regards to a battery that may or may not be charging or functioning properly. So we are going to go through a few steps on how to eliminate other components of the FDM before we just replace the battery. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to test the solar panel to make sure the panel itself is working. A note, you don't want to do this where there's cloud cover or there's on a shady day or an overcast, because there has to be direct sunlight coming to the solar panel to test it to see if it's working. So what we are going to do is add our simulated sunlight. And then if you look at the voltmeter over here, what we're going to do is we're going to take the end of the cable for the solar panel. It doesn't matter which one you put your voltmeter into, as long as you're touching the two prongs. And if you can see, we are getting, sorry it's missing, approximately 20 volts. It should be between 20-ish, 21 volts. So that means our solar panel is accepting sunlight and passing it through to the cable. The next step, we're going to take our solar panel plug and plug it into the SI board in the bottom of the FDM. We know the solar panel is working because we just tested it. So now what we're going to do is we are going to make sure that we are getting power up to the solar panel bypass. So if you look closely, there are 3 pins in there. You're going to put one end on the very far pin, the one pin on the other one opposite of it, and then if you look down at your voltmeter, you will see that you are getting the same amount of voltage that you were getting from the solar panel. And the last step you would take is, now that we know that the solar panel bypass has power, we are going to make sure that the power is being transferred to where we plug the battery in, where that power is being transferred to charge the battery. Same process, one on one, one on the other. If you look at your voltmeter, we should be around 12 volts. So that means that we are getting power from the solar panel up into the power module, through the bypass, stepping down to 12 volts to where the battery is being charged.